Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. This channel is definitely going to be very helpful for you. We used to put various programming related videos, aptitude related videos, certificate about new job opportunities, internship and all on our channel. So to be updated, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from our channel. Also, do join our Telegram channel so that there is no chance of missing any opportunity. Right, the link for the Telegram channel is provided in the description itself, so you can check it from there. And please do join. Welcome to the Telegram also. Right, so in this video we are going to talk about a wonderful opportunity that is from Cisco. So Cisco is providing the fundamental of cyber security for a virtual internship opportunity, right? So this opportunity is for second and third year engineering students, right, to upskill and apply for 20,000 opportunity, right? It is 20,000 opportunity. So what is start learning on Future Skills Prime? So first you have to, they will cover introduction to cyber security, introduction to packet tracker, cyber security essentials, right? So you have to do the, and then you have to do the apply for the internship. Last date to apply is 31st March, right? Last date to apply is 31st March. So what you have to do? You have to fill this form providing your first name, last name, email ID, right? And then when you are also you have to mention then from where do you get to know about this contest. So you can choose from the given options. And are you an existing Future Skills Prime user? So you can select accordingly and just click on sign up. So basically, how often does a course offer an internship post completion? So first you have to complete a course, this cyber security course, then a internship will be provided to you by Cisco itself. So you can see here it is given NESCOM, Cisco and AICTE have joined hands for a first of its kind program that will roll out 20,000 virtual internship they are going to provide with Cisco for second and third year engineering graduates, right? Also you can see 100 lucky learners who sign up for the program also win Amazon vouchers worth ₹1,000 by participating in the lucky dip. So who should participate? Second and third year engineering graduates. Now why you should participate? So you will get the opportunity to grab for a virtual internship with Cisco, get access to free courses from Cisco. So you will also get the courses in free from Cisco and stand a chance to win Amazon vouchers worth ₹1,000. Now what to do? So you have to fill the form, this form given, and click on the sign up button. Then sign up on the Future Skills platform, right? So make sure that whatever mail ID you are providing here, the same mail ID you have to put on the this Future Skills platform, right? Go to groups and join the Cisco cyber security internship group, right? So from there you have to go to the groups and you have to join cyber security internship group, complete the free courses on cyber security by Cisco, and then apply for the internship through AICTE internship portal. Hurry up guys, this is a wonderful opportunity for second and third year students. Upon completing the courses, the applicants will be evaluated by Cisco Net Acad partners, and eligible students will receive a digital certificate. So you will get a certificate upon completion. So this is a wonderful opportunity. You can mention this certificate in your resume also, which can lead to the shortlisting also, right? Because due to lack of skills, students resume don't get shortlisted. Now what is the last date? So last date is 31st March 2021, as you can see here, right? So just fill this form and participate in the contest. Start learning guys, this is a wonderful opportunity for all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you are a senior, right, a final year student or above than that, then make sure to share this opportunity with your juniors so that they can know and they can participate in this wonderful opportunity and can get the opportunity to get an internship from Cisco, right? So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Do apply.